Hey guys, welcome to another video with teacher Satya. In this video, you guys will be learning about the chord properties in a circle. Now make sure you watch the entire video to have a better understanding of this topic. Now let's get to it, guys. So first of all, let's understand what do we mean by a chord. So a chord of a circle joins 2 points on the circle. Alright guys. Now let's say in the circle we have center O, right? And OC is meeting with a chord AB and OC bisects this chord AB. We can say that OC is perpendicular to AB. Alright guys. Now let's take this understanding and solve few questions. Alright, in question number 1, we see that we have the chord CB and we see that OD is bisecting CB because the angle created is perpendicular, is right angle. Alright guys, so now we can use the Pythagoras theorem right here. Alright guys, now in order for us to find BC, we are going to first find BD. Alright guys, so using Pythagoras theorem, we know that BD square plus 12 square is equal to 15 square, right guys? Now let's go ahead and solve this question. So BD square plus 144 is equal to 225. Alright guys, now in order to find BD, first I'm going to transpose 144 to the other side. So BD square is 225 minus 144, right guys? Now let's go ahead and subtract it. So what do we have? 1 and we would have 81, correct guys? We would have 81 if my calculations are correct. Therefore BD is equal to square root of 81 and we know that BD is equal to 9 centimeter. Correct guys, BD is 9 centimeter. Now we know that BD is half of BC. All right, so in other words, we know that BC is equal to 2 times BD. As we see that OD is bisecting BC. Bisect means it divides it into 2 equal parts. All right guys, therefore our value of BC will be 2 times 9 centimeter, which is equal to 18 centimeter. All right guys, now let's take the same understanding and solve one more question. So in this one we have to find ON. All right guys, we see that AB is 30 cm, so AN will be 15 cm, right guys? So this one will be 15 cm. So let's write the formula down. So 15 square plus ON square is equal to 17 square. Right guys, because 17 square will be the hypotenuse and the hypotenuse will be opposite to the right angle. All right, now let's go ahead and solve it. 15 square is 225 plus ON square is equal to 289. Right guys, ON square is 289 minus 225. ON square is equal to 464. ON is square root of 64, therefore ON is 8 centimeter. Alright guys, so the value of ON is equal to 8 centimeter. And that is how we would use the Pythagorean theorem to find the unknown length in a circle using the chord properties in a circle. Alright guys, now if you did enjoy this video, do not forget to hit on the like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any future maths videos. Until next time guys, have a nice day.